guys, welcome back to the channel Fabulous Food. Today me and mom will show you how to make an easy flan recipe.
For the easy flan recipe, we have 10 eggs, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 carnation. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. We'll just use the yolk for the flan recipe.
Yes.
1 yolk.
1 yolk. 9 more to go. All the 10 eggs are done. Now what are we gonna do, Mom?
We're making the caramel now. So that's, the pan is hot. 3/4 cup of sugar.
Yeesh.
1/4 cup of water. And we just swirl it down. Caramel.
Mixing the egg.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Vanilla extract. Or essence.
Keep mixing. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Let's go back to this. Go back over here.
Right. Mixing.
I'm adding the condensed milk.
Right.
So you can keep mixing, baby.
Look how cool it looks. Whee.
We'll add the carnation now.
Yes.
Strain in the custard. This way you get a smooth texture. Caramel is done. Oh, looks nice.
Yes. Then you pour the
Let it cool off. Let it cool off a little.
Yes, yes.
Swirl it around. Let it cool a little. So I'll pour the mixture now. See, I'm pouring the mixture. Fits in the pan, babe.
Very nice. Yes.
Now I'll put some hot water in the pan, like so, until it's halfway. Cover it and put it in the oven for 1 hour.
Yep.
So the flan is done, looking good. So nice. Cut in the flan. Looks nice. Nice pieces. See? Oh my God, looks nice. Really beautiful. So I cut the flan. It's look yummy. See? Yummy.
Anyways, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video. Also share it to your friends if you liked how it turned out. Bye now and see you next time.